Today I am reviewing the AIFEN A99HD Precision Tweezers Soldering Station, a powerful and versatile rework tool that I purchased from AliExpress. This station is designed for professional electronics repair and supports both C210 and C245 handles, making it excellent for surface mount component removal and installation. The system includes electric tweezers, allowing you to grasp and heat small components with precision. It also supports a single handle mode, giving you flexibility depending on the type of repair you are performing. With dual channel detection and a 320-watt high-power heating system, AIFEN A99HD delivers fast temperature recovery and consistent thermal performance. The front display provides clear information, including the actual temperature, the set temperature, and the status of each channel. You can store multiple temperature presets using the memory buttons, making it easy to switch between different components and soldering tasks. The station also includes an integrated adjustable bracket, allowing you to position the handle or tweezers comfortably while working. The package includes a copper cleaning wire, a cleaning brush, and a dedicated tray for tip maintenance. The station also has storage for heating cores, making it convenient to swap or organize different tips. The electric tweezers provide a stable grip and maintain even heating at both ends, which is essential when removing small resistors, capacitors, and other SMD components.